Okay, well, here we are in beautiful Lake Ariel, Pennsylvania. This will probably be the first many of you are seeing of this vehicle. This is a 2000 Land Rover Discovery in Kinversand Red. About 180,000 miles on it. And it has the typical disco tick. I've had the cylinder heads off, front cover off to check for all the normal things like slipped sleeves, cam bearings walking, change the rod bearings, change the head gaskets. Overall, it's in really great condition. It's a Texas car most of its life. And as you can see, the paint's a little dirty at the moment, but overall in pretty good condition. But I can't get that damn ticking out of my head, and it needs to go. So, I've got a new engine, well, not new, but I have a replacement engine for it, and that lives right over here. This is another 2000 Land Rover Discovery. This was a New York car its entire life. It's got a rotten frame, some questionable gauge installs, paint's pretty crappy, head gaskets are leaking, oil leaks all over the place, and it's just a mess. So, the one good thing is that it's had a flanged cylinder sleeve engine rebuild by, I believe the company is D&D Engineering. And that was about 80,000 miles ago. It's leaking. It's in a pretty poor state of repair, but it still has 50 psi of oil pressure at idle. So the core of the engine is still good. So I'm going to take this engine out. We're going to do a freshening up on it, some new rod and main bearings, some remanufactured heads, clean it up. And then it's going to go back into that one way over there, which I think is going to be a fun little project. And I'm really just kind of interested to know how much of this I should be documenting, because I don't see a lot of engine overhaul videos of Land Rover Discoveries on YouTube. And as this truck is eventually going to be for sale, it having a healthy, future-proof engine would be pretty nice for the next owner. As you can see, there's a few more projects around here. This is my daily driver. This is a 2004 Jetta diesel with a BEW and an automatic trans. It's in really great shape, low mileage. However, this one still needs a turbocharger replacement, and I've got to put a cleaned intake manifold in it. As you can see, this is my former daily driver. 2014 Ford Fusion. Had this since new. It now has 408,000 miles on it, and unfortunately, when it blew a few tires, it sat for about a month, and then when I went to start it, the engine made a ping sound and wouldn't start. So when I pulled the cam cover off, the timing chain was slack. So at worst, we've got a bum cylinder head and some bent valves. And at best, we have a broken cam chain tensioner, or maybe the guides. Of course, there's even more projects up on the hill over here, and I'm really just trying to get my ducks in order. sitting right next to the dead duck Disco that has the good engine in it is an old Yanmar diesel tractor, also going to be for sale once this is back in serviceable condition. I just have too many projects and I need to offload a few of them, so I don't know if this video does well, and if anybody out there wants to see me take most of a good engine out of this Disco and stick it in this Disco, which has a bum engine, throw a few comments out there. Give me a few thumbs up. Let me know what you guys want to see, and maybe we'll put together a video series. Better still, if anybody out there would like to purchase this Disco as is, with the second truck, with the good engine, well, you can always drop a comment down there about that also. All right, well, thanks for watching, guys, and let's see what happens.